Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you like what to do after tulip complete its flowering. So you can see these are my tulip plants. They had lots of good flowers. So now the flowers is done. Now what to do with these tulips? So I'm not going to take out this bulb now. So what I'm going to do, like I'm going to get rid of this flower buds. You can see these are flower buds. So I do not need the seeds from this because it takes around 4 to 5 years from seeds to grow a tulips. But if I break this now, it will help my plants to make a healthy bulbs. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'll try to break like this. So you can see it's like easily it's breaking. So that's what I'm going to do for the rest of them. So it's this. So if I keep this seeds part, what it's going to do, it's going to suck the energy from the plants and it will not help the plants to grow its bulb, because I want to grow my bulbs more healthy and going to use the same for the next year. So these are my bulbs. So these are my bulbs. I get rid of all of them. So now I leave this like this only, and once the leaves are dry out, then only I'm going to pull the bulbs. I'll show in my next video how I'm going to extract those bulbs from the soil and keep for the next year. You can see these my flowers have a big plant as well as the small plants as well. So there are some aphids. So those I'm going to use aphid plus, but they're good, like it's not going to have much in my tulip, but I'll use the aphid killer to get rid of this, or there are organic ways to get rid of aphids as well. So hope you like this, and please do subscribe to get notification of my next video. In next video I'll show like I'll share some more tips. So here in my garden, I'll give you a quick look. These are my strawberry plants, my rose plants, and there are many more. So please do subscribe, and sure I'll share that in one of my videos, like how I'm going to extract these bulbs from here. Till then, thank you for watching.